വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക്. ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ സ്പെഷ്യൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ആൻസേഴ്സുമാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നോക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. Who will raise the flag during national level Independence Day function in 2021 at Red Fort? Answer: Narendra Modi. Next question. East India Company started trade with India from which city? Answer: Surat. Next one. Who wrote this slogan? Self-rule is my birthright and I shall have it. Answer: Balagangadhara Tilak. Next question. Which one was the first major battle fought by British East India Company? Answer: Battle of Plassey. Next one. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre occur? Answer: 1919. Next question. During which movement Mahatma Gandhi gave the call for do or die? Answer: Quit India movement. The Mofla rebellion occurred at which place of India? Answer: Malabar region. Next question. Tum mujhe khoon do, main tumhe azadi dunga was said by which of the following persons? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question. What was the name of the mission sent by British government to India to seek cooperation during World War II? Answer: Cripps Mission. Next. Who was the founder president of Ghadar Party? Answer: Sahan Singh Bakna. Next one. Which of the following Indian freedom fighters killed a British officer in Britain? Answer: Udham Singh. Next. What does the three colors of national flag represent? Answer: sacrifice, peace and prosperity. Next one. What was the name of the magazine published by M.K. Gandhi? Answer: Young India. Next. When Komagatha Maru ship returned to India, it was docked at which place? Answer: Budge Gut. Next. When did Vasco da Gama discover the sea route to India? Answer: 1498. Next question. Which of the following financial institution or bank was founded by Lala Lajpat Rai? Answer: Punjab National Bank. Next question. Which of the following freedom fighters was sentenced to death for his involvement in Kakori train robbery? Answer: Ashfaqullah Khan. Next question. The rebellion of 1857 started from which city? Answer: Meerut. Next. Which of the following Pakistani citizen is awarded Bharat Ratna? Answer: Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Next question. The patriotic poem Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna was written by? Answer: Ram Prasad Bismil. Next. Who was the first Indian revolutionary to assassinate a British official in England? Answer: Maranlal Dhingra. Next. Who put forward the theory of drain of wealth? Answer: Dadabhai Nauroji. Next. Which of the following revolutionaries threw bombs at the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi? Answer: Bhagat Singh and Battugeshwar Dutt. Thank you and having a good Independence Day.